In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Sheets document from your desktop. Let's get started by opening the Google Sheets file you want to share on your desktop. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that you have permission to share the file. If you didn't create the sheet, check that you have editing access. Otherwise, you may not be able to change sharing settings. Look to the top right corner of your Google Sheets window and click the Share button. It's usually a bright button labeled Share. Clicking it opens the Share with People and Groups window, which is where you'll control who has access and what they can do. In the field labeled Add People and Groups, type the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can paste multiple addresses at once or type them one by one, separating them with commas. Take a moment to double-check spelling and domains so the file goes to the right people. If a suggestion appears that matches your contacts, you can click it to save time. If you add someone by mistake, remove them before you send by clicking the small X next to their name. Next, choose the right permission level for each person. Viewer means they can open and read the spreadsheet but can't change anything. This is ideal when you're sharing a finalized report or a reference document. Commenter allows them to leave comments and suggestions without editing the actual cells, great for reviews and feedback. Editor gives full access to make changes, add or delete data, create new sheets, and rearrange content. Use Editor for teammates who actively maintain the data. You can mix permissions, giving different people different levels, and you can adjust these later anytime from the same sharing window. Before you send, you can include a short message to explain what the file is and what you want the recipients to do. This helps set expectations. When everything looks right, click Send. Recipients will receive an email with a link to the sheet, and they'll be able to access it with the permissions you selected. Any updates you or they make, depending on permissions, will appear in real time. That's it. You've shared your Google Sheet from your desktop. If you ever need to update permissions, add or remove people, or change someone from viewer to editor, just click the Share button again and adjust the settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you collaborate smoothly and confidently.